Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to change your language in Windows 10. This is actually quite simple. To do this, we click on the Windows Start button and then click on the Settings gear. Here we click on Time and Language and on Language in the left tab. Now we have some options to choose from. Most important is the Windows Display Language. This is displayed here. For you this will look different because new languages have to be downloaded first. Therefore we can add a new language down here. The small icons show us which Windows functions are supported in the specific language. If you want to know what the icons mean, you just have to hover over them. For this video I am going to search for English and install an English version for a different region. I choose English Australia and click on Next. Here you check all the options you want to install and click on Install down below. The language is now downloaded. I can now select the new language from this drop-down menu. If I click on my selections, I'm asked to log in again so that all changes can be applied. I won't do that now because it would stop my recording, but this is the last step you have to do. And then we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Your tutorial guy. Bye.